Suppose if you open Microsoft Word in your Windows computer and if you want to create a square with the orthogonal crosshatch fill symbol, you must remember this keyboard shortcut Alt Nances 38. Okay, I'll show you how to create. So you must open MS Word and after that you must go to your computer keyboard and there you can see this is the number lock. You must press this number lock. Now you can see that we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see the Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this Alt key. Don't remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time, you must type here 9638. So after typing 9638, you can release your finger from this Alt key. So you do like that, then you can see that this symbol have been already. We have created this symbol using keyboard shortcut Alt Nances 38. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.